morning. So I came here last night just for the workout because I really had to work out and couldn't carry my dumbbells to my parents' house and do it there. So I thought I'll do it here. So I got up, I worked out. I came here last night. And now I'm going to IKEA. Again, I think there's news that there will be a lockdown soon. I think actually there's this like new restriction, so IKEA is open only till 3 o'clock. So yeah, I have to rush and I am really late. I think I should be there by 12 at least, but that will only happen if I like leave my place right away. So yeah, I haven't even eaten anything. I had to do my breakfast. Didn't have my breakfast, so I'm just like eating a pomegranate and then I'm gonna go. This is what I'm wearing today. I found these pants. These are like paperback pants. I honestly don't know how I feel about them. Also, everything is from Zara. This is Zara. This is Zara. So yeah, I honestly don't know how I feel about paperback pants, but yeah, like I got them, so I thought that I'll wear it. I think my white Nikes would look so good with this outfit, but it's raining and I really don't want to mess up my white shoes, so I'm just going to wear flats. That's one thing that I don't like about rainy season, I mean obviously the mud and it gets very messy to dress up and everything, and also like yeah, you can't wear white clothes and I really like wearing white, so yeah. Guys, meet Jeevan. That's Samar, and there's also Prajakta. I don't know if you can see her, but yeah. Right now we're going to IKEA and we're almost here already. I thought खूप time लागेल. पटकन आलो ना आपण. Nobody is talking to me. Nobody wants to talk. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys. Hello.
Coming to IKEA, like visiting it, is because I wanted to sit on the sofas and check the height and everything. So that's majorly why I'm here. Oh, this one's also really nice and soft. This is a nice sofa. I liked it. I mean, what is it? It's not too high. It's really nice, the sofa. Yeah. Never did I ever think that these things would excite me. Oh my god. Oh, that is like, you know, like the girl who studies every day, like that. Miniature things that they have created. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Tanya.
Thank you for saying hi. That's her parents. Yeah, hi. Guys, I'm going crazy. I bought so many things. कार्डियो हो गया दिन का, है ना? Oh my god, there's not like whatever, there's no space behind, so all of us are sitting आगे. It's Prajakta, Jeevan obviously is driving, and yeah. we bought a lot of stuff. The reason why we wanted to visit, or Samarth wanted to visit IKEA, is because for the sofa, like he wanted to check the comfort and everything. And we bought everything that was there in IKEA. Okay, the smallest of things, like, you know, a spatula, maybe like a scissor, everything. But we didn't get a sofa. Wow, like how smart are we? And now we don't have place to sit. Like, look at us, the way we are sitting. It was quite a task actually to like put everything inside, but yeah, we managed it. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday we came back from IKEA and it was such a long and a tiring day. I was up for like 18 hours because I woke up at 6 o'clock or 5:30 and then I worked out and then I went to IKEA, and it is just never ending. And IKEA is so huge, like it was really my first time visiting IKEA. Even though I wanted to like do like a proper vlog, like when it opened up, the very first time. I remember when it opened up in Hyderabad, that is when I decided that whenever it opens up in Mumbai, I'll film it, but I never did that. Also, this is like a really nice spot. I think you'll see me vlog from this place a lot more now, but yeah, there's like a lot of things behind me. I spent so much money, I can't even tell you, and I still have to buy a sofa and a TV, and then I think I should be... Oh, I also have to buy a shoe rack. So shoe rack I couldn't find, but yeah, I'm just really happy that I finally have a chair. And yeah, also my messy home, but it's okay, it's just like in the process right now. So many of you guys have been asking me to do like an IKEA haul. I do have like a lot of like chota stuff. I can sit down and make that, but let's see. I'm not too sure if you guys would be interested in that or no, but let me know if you are, then I will for sure make that for you. And yeah, I think I still will go and check out sofas maybe, but I'm not too sure because the restrictions, like they are saying that there would be a lockdown soon, since, you know, there's going to be a third wave. So let's see. Hi guys, so it's the next day today. I was just sitting and watching the sunset. The sunset today was crazy. I'll put a clip maybe here so you guys can watch it. It was on fire, like the sky was on fire. It's currently 7 o'clock and I just like thought I'll vlog a little bit. So yeah, I have been just like arranging things since yesterday. I just thought I'll show you guys a little bit. I didn't think that Samarth would have the energy to make anything. I honestly had no energy. Even then I still made the chair, and he and his friends, they actually made the table. So I thought that I'll show you that, even though like I do think that I want to like show you guys everything together when everything comes together, but then I was like, it's okay, I'll just show you guys a little bit. So yeah, I'll show you. Don't mind my house, it's like a mess. I just put this on. I got this and this was such a stupid buy. It's like a studio thing, you know, like jahan pe piche your background is there, and this is very stupid. Shouldn't have gotten that. Any which ways, so this is the table. This is what it looks like. So this is, I think it's called Mikey or Mickey, I'm not too sure. I actually want, when like ये actually जब बन के ready हुआ, I thought that अगर इतना होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता, but it's still fine because I think you know, my laptop does take up a lot of space. Okay, so we also made this chair. It's super nice and very comfortable. I'm so glad that you know, I actually went to IKEA and sat on it first and then decided to buy it. Samarth made sure that I go to IKEA and do that, because he was like, just don't buy a chair online, because obviously you don't get it, like, you know, if it's comfortable and the height and everything. So this is super comfortable. I really like this chair, and also really like the table. I also got this watch. Oh my god, I also got a hair dryer for myself. Can you guys believe it? I have never ever had a hair dryer all my life. I mean, it's really funny. That's also another reason why my hair is very nice, because I always let it air dry. And straightening, like I avoid using hot tools on my hair at all times. Like I only do it when I'm filming, and that too like very rarely I'll do it, just the front pieces, but I really like to wear my hair natural. So, but the reason I got the hair dryer, this is my first hair dryer in all these years, is because of the rainy season, and my hair takes up a lot of time to like air dry basically. So I thought, you know, it would be a great investment, so I got it. And yeah, it's very chotu. Actually, I did not think that itna chota aega, but this is how it looks like. It also comes with a nozzle, so that's pretty cool. I haven't tried it or used it, but this is by Iconic. If you want, I'll link it down for you guys. So far it's nice. I guess, as I said, I haven't used it, but it's nice. Like, I tried it on my hand and stuff. It's pretty good. One thing that I'm super excited about is that everything will have a place. Okay, I also got these plants from IKEA, which is so cool. I didn't know that they sell, like, you know, real plants, but they do, so that's great. I also tried their scented candle, and the candle is amazing. Smells so good, like just so good. So yeah, that's that. And I think I'm just going to arrange things a little bit. I'll show you how my room looks like my living room. It's a mess. It's literally a huge mess, and please don't judge me, but you know, I'm keeping it pretty real with you guys. So yeah, are you ready? Okay. Oh, that's literally what my living room looks like. So there are things everywhere. All the things that I got from IKEA. I have a couple of packages here, and there's only one thing that is remaining, like the TV cabinet that we have to make, and there's also like the bookshelf that we made, but I don't want to like show it in this vlog, so maybe in next vlog I'll show it to you. That is the whole reason I'm like vlogging like this. Otherwise I really wanted to sit on the chair and vlog it, because that's going to be my new position where I mostly shoot my videos. But yeah, for now this is great, and I think in my next video I'll show you the bookshelf and everything. I haven't put anything inside it, so maybe I'll organize it with you guys. But that's what the update is, and that's how the room looks like. I'm very excited. I hope all of it comes together very soon. And yeah, I feel really happy and really good about the fact that I finally have a workspace and I can work from here. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, then please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.